So that's about the breathing. The next is the Omkara chanting, which so Omkara chanting is done a lot in meditations as well. The Om chanting, Om is nothing, it's just a vibration, it's just a word which, when we say with consciousness, with awareness, it has a lot of benefits because it's generating beneficial vibrations in different parts of your body, especially the mind. Okay, now how do we chant the Om such that it benefits us the most? It brings about the most relaxation. Okay, now Omkar, the Om is made up of 3 Sanskrit syllables: A, U and Ma. Okay, so when you chant A, the awareness should be on your belly. When you chant U, the awareness should be on your chest, okay, your thoracic region. And when you chant Ma, the awareness goes to the head region, to your brain region, to your the throat region. So basically above your neck, the awareness should be. All right. So A, U, Ma. This is so initially when you're starting out, break the Om into 3 parts and do the chanting. Okay, you can do it with separate breaths as well. Okay, so breathe in and chant A with complete awareness on your belly. Then again breathe in. As you breathe out, you will chant U. Okay, from your awareness on the thoracic region. And when you chant Ma, then again you're going to inhale, chant Ma as you breathe out. You're chanting Ma with your lips sealed and awareness on your head region. So I will demonstrate one round of how it goes about. You can practice with me if you want. Again, this can be done sitting on a chair. So keeping your spine straight, shoulders relaxed, head in front. Take 1 or 2 normal breaths. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Bringing your awareness to your belly. Breathe in and chant. So this is one round. Okay, so this is one round of A, U, and Ma chanting. Now, once you become comfortable with this separate breathing, what you can do is you can chant Om in one breath. Okay. Now, here our goal is relaxation, right? So for relaxation, 20%. So you inhale to your maximum capacity. As you exhale, 20% of your breath should go in A and U, and 80% of your breath should go in chanting Ma. Okay, so when the Ma, the later part of the Omkar is elongated, it induces relaxation. When the Om part, okay, the initial part of the Omkar, that is elongated, that rejuvenates your body. It makes you more alert. It makes you more active. Okay, so there is no harm. You can go either way, but when you are going through cardiovascular hypertension, all of these conditions, our goal is maximum relaxation for the body, right? So that's why you go with the latter part. Okay. So when you're chanting, you take a deep breath in. So the elongation should be as long as possible. You can slightly separate your teeth so that you feel the vibration at your lips. Okay, and keep your eyes closed. Do this with complete awareness and it can do wonders. Okay.